Hello guys, welcome my new video with new recipe. Today, I am making chicken masala karahi, so watch till end. First of all, we take 700 grams washed chicken in a bowl, add teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili, 1½ spoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder 1½ teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. Mix the chicken perfectly. Marinate for 1 hour. Crushed coriander 2 tablespoon, fennel seeds 1½ teaspoon paste, cloves cinnamon 4 to 5, and black pepper 1½ teaspoon, green cardamom 4 and mace 2 flowers. All 1 4 cup. Now add this in the oil and mix up on the flame. Now, add this green chili to 2-3, chopped onion to 2-3. Fry the onions until translucent. Now, add to chopped tomato. Cook the tomatoes until softened. Add this chicken into over mixture. Now, mix the chicken very well. Now, add garlic 1 teaspoon paste. Fry the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes. Add to 2-3 tablespoons of curd. Mix it very well and pour it on the chicken. Fry chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover and cook 10 to 12 minutes. Don't add water, let cook this on chicken own juices. Now, add kasuri methi 7 teaspoon, some ginger, fresh coriander, mix up again. Let's taste this juicy chicken karahi.